Have you ever wondered how one man's mind hypnotized millions, not with weapons but with words? Every monster in history was once just a human mind, but what happens when that mind learns how to control others? This is the psychology of evil. The human mind is the most powerful weapon on earth. It can build civilizations or it can destroy them. Adolf Hitler's mind was a battlefield, and the world paid the price for that. Hitler's darkness did not begin on the battlefield, it began in his childhood, a home filled with fear, a father's anger, a boy's silence. He grew up craving power because he once had none. That's where many dictators are born, in the shadow of fear and humiliation. Psychology calls it overcompensation, when pain turns into the hunger of control. As a young man, Hitler dreamed to becoming an artist, but he was rejected again and again. Each no built a wall of bitterness inside him. Rejection became rage, and rage became his identity. In his mind, the world was against him, and one day he would make the world bow. Hitler's mind was wired with dangerous traits, narcissism and obsession with power and admiration, paranoia. He trusted no one, always feared betrayal, projection. He blamed others for what he secretly felt inside. Trauma response, anger became his shield. And psychology, when unresolved trauma mixes with power, a result is destruction. For Hitler, destruction became his identity. Millions of lives became victims for one man's mind. But how did he control millions? Through the oldest trick in psychology, fear and belonging. He gave people an enemy to hate and a purpose to believe in. He spoke to their emotions, not their logic. He did not control bodies, he controlled minds. Modern psychology calls it mass suggestions. When repeated lies became collective truth, he understood one secret: people don't want truth, they want meaning, even if it's a lie. Hitler's story is not just about the past, even today's psychology warns us. Toxic bosses use guilt, manipulative leaders use fear, influencers use emotions to control. The faces change, but the methods stay the same. If we don't study psychology, we can be controlled, but if we do, we break free. Human mind built civilizations, and the same mind burned them down. The mind is the greatest creator and the deadliest weapon. Evil does not begin with guns or bombs. It begins with thoughts. History will repeat itself if only we fail to understand the psychology of evil. Study the mind or be controlled by it. This is mind secrets. So, in this century, we must try to understand the psychology of human beings, especially children and the adults, and we must try to understand their emotions, and we must respect them and try to feel them very special. Otherwise, we will generate one more evil in this cold world. The story of Hitler tells us evil minds are produced by society behavior. So Once you will try to control yourself and your emotions for others. Parents must be polite with children and society must be polite with adults. Otherwise, we will generate one more evil in this cruel world. If you like the video and you understand the evil mind how to generate, please like and subscribe my channel.